If you are bleeding cash every month on bloated autoresponders, you are probably crying into your cold coffee while Jeff Bezos laughs at your bank account. AI Mailer claims to fix this by giving you unlimited email sending for life without the painful monthly bills. Let's see if it's true. Hey there, Kamal from TestedApps.com here. 6 years in the trenches testing software tools that promise you the moon but deliver nothing but empty pockets. Today, we are looking at an honest review with real results and absolutely zero fluff. Before we dive in, if you decide to grab this tool through my link down below, I have put together some exclusive premium bonuses for you. I am talking about custom campaign assets that will complement this engine perfectly. You can check all the details out in the description box below. So, what exactly is AI Mailer? It is a cloud-based, AI-powered email marketing software built for affiliate marketers, agencies, and online business owners. The core promise here is simple. It lets you upload unlimited subscribers and send unlimited email campaigns using a conversational chat assistant, completely bypassing the monthly fee trap. The creators say it takes 3 dead simple steps to get this engine running. Step 1 is logging into the dashboard. No technical installation or server configuration needed, which is great because it's easier than trying to explain how a smartphone works to your grandmother. Step 2 is importing your existing list or building a new one. You just drop in a standard CSV file. There are no intrusive compliance checks holding up your business, so a PhD in data science is definitely not required. Step 3 is letting the built-in AI assistant handle the rest. You just type out what you want in plain English, hit send, and boom, you're ready to collect profit. Let's look at the features that actually move the needle for your business. First up is the chat-based AI assistant. Instead of clicking through 10 different confusing menus just to schedule a basic newsletter, you literally just type a prompt. You say, schedule a promo to my buyers list for 9 a.m. tomorrow, and the system sets it up. That is a massive painkiller benefit for busy marketers. Next is the built-in AI copy and subject line generator. If you suffer from blank page paralysis or cannot afford to pay a high-ticket freelance copywriter $500 an email, this is a major time and money saver. The AI writes the full sequence and even predicts the open rate before you hit the big broadcast button. Then you have the multi-server delivery engine. You can connect standard SMTP accounts, Amazon SES, Mailgun, or SendGrid, and the software balances the load. Plus, it includes a pre-send spam score shield. It checks your copy against algorithms before it leaves the terminal, giving you an emotional win when your messages land safely in the primary inbox instead of the spam folder. Let's talk about the math, because numbers do not lie. The front-end price during the launch week is a one-time fee of $14.95. Let's compare that to the industry standards. If you look at competitors like Aweber or MailChimp, they can easily bill you anywhere from $50 to $300 every single month the moment your list starts growing. Over a single year, that turns into thousands of dollars. With this platform, you pay once and you own your marketing infrastructure forever. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hello and welcome to AI Mailer, the AI-powered email marketing platform that lets you send unlimited emails to unlimited lists and subscribers. AI Mailer replaces expensive autoresponders, per-subscriber pricing, costly copywriters, and complicated campaign builders with one intelligent email engine. There are no monthly fees. Pay once and use it forever. Now let's log in and see how it works. First, I'll create a list. I'll enter the list name, set it to active, add a short audience purpose, and enter the sender name, sender email, and reply to email. That's it. Our list is ready. This is the list dashboard where we can view subscriber activity, campaign performance, and analytics. Under Messages, we can create, schedule, send, and manage drafts, broadcasts, sent emails, and split tests. The Email Template Manager includes a drag-and-drop builder for responsive emails, plus a template library and theme marketplace. Next is automation. Here we can build follow-up journeys using triggers, emails, delays, conditions, tags, branches, and webhooks. Under subscribers, we can manage unlimited lists and subscribers with no per-subscriber charges. Contacts can be added manually or imported in bulk using a CSV file. We can also search, filter, tag, and organize them. Pages and Forms lets us create landing pages, AI sign-up forms, and regular forms that add leads to the correct list. Under List Options, we can update settings, sender details, tags, and custom fields. Tags organize subscribers by interest or activity, while custom fields store extra information. Report shows contacts, campaigns, delivery rates, opens, clicks, complaints, unsubscribes, and activity over time. Tracking shows subscriber actions, while deliverability helps monitor bounces, authentication, and sending health. Integrations lets us connect AI Mailer with CRMs, apps, and external tools to sync contacts and trigger workflows. The AI Marketing Assistant can create campaigns, automations, segments, forms, and reports using simple instructions. It prepares the steps and asks for approval before sensitive actions. Finally, under Sending Servers, we can connect SMTP, Amazon SES, Mailgun, or SendGrid. Domains lets us authenticate our sending domain, while Sender Identities controls the sender name, email, and reply to address. And that is AI Mailer, one complete platform to create, automate, send, and grow with no monthly fees or per subscriber charges.
Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because I'm about to show you why smart marketers are quietly walking away from their expensive autoresponders and how they're now sending unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers. And more importantly, how you can run your entire email marketing business from a simple chat box. With 0 monthly fees, over the past few years, something frustrating has been happening. Email marketing, the highest ROI channel on earth, has been getting more and more expensive. Not because it stopped working, but because the tools kept charging you more. More subscribers, more money, bigger list, bigger bill. And every single month, it never stops. So why does email still beat everything else? Because email isn't just another channel. It's the one audience you actually own. It lands directly in the inbox, and it returns $36 for every $1 you spend. That's the highest ROI of any marketing channel, which is exactly why marketers rely on it, agencies rely on it, and businesses rely on it. Everyone comes back to email because when you compare the results, the difference is obvious. Email gives you more opens, more clicks, more trust, and more sales, which means more profit for you. But here's the problem. To send email at any real scale, you usually have to pay monthly. $30 a month for a small list, $100 or more a month as it grows, even $300 or more a month for high volume sending, and it never stops. Every new subscriber, every upgrade, more money. And on top of that, you still have to write every email yourself. You still have to guess the best time to send, and you still have to hope it doesn't land in spam. So even though email is powerful, actually using it fully becomes expensive and exhausting. That's why we built something completely different. Something smarter, something simpler, something much more powerful. Introducing AI Mailer, an AI-powered email marketing platform that gives you unlimited lists, subscribers, and campaigns, AI that writes your emails for you, and smart send time optimization on every single send. All from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another autoresponder. This is your complete email marketing command center. Here's what happens after you activate AI Mailer. You log in, you import your list or build a fresh one in minutes, and then you just tell the AI what you want. And instantly, AI Mailer writes your subject lines and email copy, builds your segments, checks deliverability before it sends, and mails every subscriber at their best open time. Promos, newsletters, follow-up sequences, and broadcasts in seconds, which means no blank page copywriting, no per subscriber fees, and no guessing, no spam folder, and no limits, just results. And here's where it gets even better. AI Mailer isn't just fast, it's smart, built for higher open rates, human-like, high-converting copy, and inbox-first deliverability. So your emails don't just go out faster, they perform better, better opens, better clicks, better conversions. And yes, it's beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed, No copywriting experience, and no complicated setup. If you can type, you can run AI Mailer. Now, let's talk about the price. Normally, to send email at this scale, you'd be paying every single month forever. But today, you don't have to. With AI Mailer, you get everything with a simple one-time payment, no subscriptions, no per subscriber fees, and no recurring bills. Just activate it once, and it's yours. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it, mail your list with it. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. So now, the decision is yours. Do you keep paying monthly for limited, per subscriber autoresponders? Or do you unlock unlimited AI-powered email in one place? If you're ready to, send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers. Let AI write your campaigns for you. Escape monthly, per contact email bills, boost your opens, clicks, and sales. And finally, use email at its full potential. Then click the button below, activate AI Mailer, and unlock the most powerful email engine available today. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress, just powerful AI email working for you. Your move starts now.
Now, the funnel does have a few optional upgrades you should know about. OTO1 is AI Mailer Unlimited. This removes all the standard usage caps from the core license. You should get this if you plan to send millions of broadcasts across multiple massive niches without any artificial speed bumps. OTO2 is AI Mailer DFY, which stands for Done For You. This one is my top pick if your main goal is saving time. It comes preloaded with over 100 proven promotional campaigns and 50 complete email sequences. You just plug in your affiliate links and go. OTO3 is AI Mailer Pro, giving you a massive vault of 100 premium PLR ebooks and lead magnets with full rebrand rights, so you can build your audience quickly. Finally, OTO4 is AI Mailer Automation, unlocking a visual drag-and-drop workflow builder with advanced behavior-based triggers. Finally, OTO5 is AI Mailer Marketing Hub, which expands your reach into cross-channel messaging like SMS, WhatsApp, and web push notifications from one master control panel. I put this software through my usual back-end torture test to see if it holds up under real pressure. I hooked up my delivery servers, imported a test list, and used the chat terminal to write a quick sequence. The natural language engine understood the prompts perfectly, and the delivery speeds remained highly stable. However, let's look at what this tool is not. This is not a magical push-button wealth creator for lazy people. If you don't have traffic and if you don't actively gather leads to build a list, this software will just sit there collecting digital dust. You still need to drive traffic to your opt-in forms and instruct the AI assistant to broadcast your offers. If you expect a software tool to build an entire business without any effort on your part, you should probably keep scrolling. But if you're ready to scale, just imagine opening up your laptop at a quiet cafe or an airport lounge, looking at a dashboard that managed 50,000 contacts and knowing you didn't pay a single recurring software subscription invoice this month. That's the kind of digital freedom this platform unlocks. The special launch pricing won't last long, and the one-time fee structure will eventually convert back into a standard monthly subscription model. Click the link down below in the description to secure your lifetime account before the timer hits 0. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. Hit the like button if this video brought you some real value and subscribe to the channel for more raw tool breakdowns. Kamal from testedapps.com here. See ya!